Oh my gosh, guys, look, all the Sims 4 DLCs have been activated. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to get all Sims 4 DLCs for free. So what you need to do is go ahead and go to this site. It's called ogsnags.com. Alright, so on this site, guys, we're going to see a bunch of different like discount codes and stuff. So find the Sims 4 DLC, we can just go up to the search bar and type it in. And as you can see, it's a Sims 4 promo code, so press on it and then press show coupon code and wait for it to load. And it's basically just going to make sure that there is a valid coupon. So once it finds it, just go ahead and press get full code and wait for it to bring you over here. So on this page, it's going to ask you what you like about shopping at Amazon. It doesn't really matter what you put. Just make sure you guys enter something that you like. So let me just show you guys how to do it. Alright, so I'm going to do super fast shipping. So anyway, now we got to enter our email. So let me just go ahead and type this in. Make sure you guys use an email address that you can regularly access because they're sending your code to your email. So as you can see, it says activating your reward. Now before we can get it, we do have to register. So make sure you guys go ahead and fill this out. It's very important. This is just to make sure that you're like real and stuff. So let me just go ahead and fill that in here as you can see. Alright, so I'm just typing. Pretty simple. Alright, let me just go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to type it in. Alright. Yeah, it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. So anyway, guys, now we just need to do this survey. So this is the next step. It's a survey. It's pretty straightforward. So let me just go ahead and do this right here as you guys can see. Alright. So I'm just going to answer all the questions. So pretty cool. So let me just go ahead and do this right here as you guys can see. Alright, so yeah, pretty easy. So yeah, just answering all the questions. Alright, so after you finish with this, we will be all set. So let's just go ahead and finish up with the survey here as you can see. Alright, and it's pretty straightforward. So let's just go ahead and do this right here as you guys can see. Alright. So we're almost done. So after you do the survey, guys, all you gotta do is go ahead and press I agree and continue, and then you should be done. So I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. It's gonna show you a thing right now that's like you're done. So let's just get off this and you guys will see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, guys, it says like survey done and deals finished. So yeah, super easy. Now the one last step is the deal. So you may see a deal, guys, that you have to complete, which is pretty easy. So yeah, just complete the deal and it's like download a game or something. So I'll see you later and peace out.